Shut up, Colonel Sticky.
Ziviga!
Hey,
Hey,
what up?
Ziviga, whatever, bro. You don't like Verdansk? I thought you missed Verdansk.
Fight back, fight back. Down back, huh? What the fuck? Give me come on, man. Yeah. Yeah, make for it.
Objective secure. Well
Station right here. Lots of guys.
additional contract online.
Money on the buy station right now.
We need just a little bit more. Oh, right, okay.
Target grid empty. Negative BDA.
Oh, so they jump.
Hey, hurry up, get me there.
Hey, what the fuck? My movement is so yuck. Okay, nee.
Don't do it. Don't do it, Bucky. Watch right here, right here.
Taking me. Back in the lobby.
Yeah, what about the loadout? They're jumping to it.
Enemy dropping into the area.
Man running nowhere, motherfucker. Oh, you trying to save
This
him?
dude's
You
one
trying to save him? Huh?
Enemy destroyed. Hunt down the rest.
He trying to save you, but he cannot. Whoever on the water, just die. Why you don't want to die?
Service time have reduced. Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Man, fucking camper, man.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Yeah, I know it's so heartbroken.
Enemy movement. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy UAV overhead. Your squad makes it to the safe zone. Losing ground, moving.
People on me.
We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Guys below us as well.
Hey, you motherfucker, you stand there near me, huh? You a bitch. You a scary ass bitch.
Fuck, I need to skin.
No, you can hear us. This what happened. Ugh, fuck. Pacifica, baby. You know I'm in love with you. Yeah? Fine.
Fire sale active. Light station prices will be reduced.
Hey, one is here.
Hostile UAV.
Oh, you thought you gonna kill me, don't you, huh? You gotta have for good guns in order to win the fight, sir. One just dropped on the bottom.
He's right there.
Oh yeah. Chasing. Chasing like a dog. How you feeling, huh? Alright, let's go bottom.
Squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Fire sale's over. Adjusting prices.
Oh, enemy dropping. Oh, that's us. What the fuck? I'm tripping. Going for a UAV. Going for a cluster. Good time to drop it over there. Damn. Watch out. People on control looking at us. Maybe they're looking at us. Okay. They're coming on the gas. Get ready, get ready. Frick, one is on the gas. Catch you, partner. One is up here.
Fire.
What about me, fuck?
Bitch ass.
Oh, you fucked up, Mikey. Oh no! Are you serious? Oh. Are you serious? Oh my god, I got fucked up. Bro, I was talking, and then died.
What? How much? Oh, okay.
Hmm? Definitely.
Mega.
Oh shit, somebody invite me this time. Cam.
There we go.
Cause you know I feel some type of way.
Oh, he
tap
finished
away,
crying,
tap
man.
away, tap away. Shut the fuck
Finished
up,
crying.
Tito.
Oh shit, my bad. What, battle royale?
Yeah. Casual.
Behind the scenes.
Casual, he said that. Cause he's garbage.
And then we play. No, we're scary you. Chill the fuck out.
Oh, you don't carry nobody.
Every time we play, I carry your ass, bruh.
Nigga, watch. You don't run off and... Hey, behind us.
Matter of fact, you're Obama. I'm President Trump, motherfucker.
More like Michelle. Hey, Cam, he's right here, bro.
Cam,
Ask him why we gotta wait so long in those other games.
come on, J girl. J Crush, bro, where are you?
Hold up, bro. He's cleaning his mic.
Alright.
Get chubby.
Check weapons and gear. We're holding for deployment.
Oh, that from this map.
What? What?
Oh, this guy got a fucking 300 fucking... Hey, remember, bro.
What?
Drop your
What?
sniper.
What? That's some weak ass request.
Green light. We're deploying
Bro, your sniper is weak. I just making it look
Okay,
strong.
you wanna try? You wanna try mine?
Drop it, bro.
Okay.
Drop it or else I tell the pilot U-turn. You ever seen one playing U-turn in midair?
Alright, okay.
Where we going?
Jerusalem.
Side.
Marco.
Boneyard.
We're going Preston. Preston,
Where?
Preston, bro.
Prison, bro. Man, I hate that place.
Prison.
Bro, you're over here flying, taking your time. Everyone's landing over there.
Take my time.
Watch, I'll be the first one be there.
Okay.
I'll be the first one to be there. Tito, you thought you're gonna make it before me, bro? Chill the fuck out. Just land and start walk. Chill the fuck out and just start walking, please. Use the bridge, okay?
See that?
What do you see? What do you see, bro? Who's here? I'm here first. Yo, bro.
Oh, fuck.
You funny as fuck.
Yeah, I gotta
Hell
kill
yeah,
fish.
bro. Yeah, that's a body kill.
I know.
Hey, can you look for the chest? That's the only chest that left on my
It's
challenge.
getting Koshai somewhere, bro.
Come on, find that shit. Please,
You wouldn't send them, no
the
one
save.
returned it, bro. The borrow, no return.
Anybody know about the safe? Where is it? Where the safe in this area?
Yeah, chase tank.
Oh my god, this guy fucking around too much.
It's up here.
Where?
It's up
Okay, okay, please,
Got it, I
please,
got
open,
you, I got
open.
you.
Ooh, you fucking lying, bro. Let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see. I cannot see it no more. I cannot see until it's complete.
I opened it
Oh
already.
my god, I got it, bro. Cali stick. I got the Cali stick too. Oh, event complete.
point, we're still gonna-
Yo. Bro, I got a lot of shit unlocked.
Well, me too.
Oh my goodness, are you serious? That's it?
Hey, right over here, man.
Just kill him, bro. We trust you already. See?
Bring him over here. Ask him if you need a ride.
Oh, there's another save here too.
Hey, wait, then hop in.
I should have done it, but this guy act like he's safe
Hey,
today.
right there, not on.
Oh, wait, that's not you, bro. Never kill him, bro. After all, I'm the one who get the kill. Oh my god. Well, what about the loadout, bro? I'm gonna explode that so Dito don't use it.
Stopper.
Hey, come, let's use that. The cast is gonna come to us. We don't have to go nowhere. We just stay here and defend. Come and give me your money, please. Give me your money, please. Hey, the gas is gonna come here. All we gotta do is loot up and defend the position.
He's gone.
Huh? Bonjour.
Come on, Dito. Do something. Buy the loadout.
Wait, how do I get up there, bro?
Damn!
The
You
chopper.
don't know shit.
Oh, there we go, there we go. stupid ass fucking map, bro.
No, it's you, bro.
Got me fucked up, bro. I'm going around, bro.
Oh, somebody.
Alright, please buy the loadout and then we worry about that guy.
Nice.
Calm, Tito. We need your money. The pot is all over there. When we got our loadout, we're gonna go kill a lot of pots.
Where are you, bro?
I'm somewhere in the map, bro.
How the fuck you guys go up there?
Buy the loadout. What the fuck? Yeah, where's Blue? Oh, Blue lost. Look at Blue. You don't know how to come up here, bro. You need to go to the bridge.
Is that your friend?
You have to come over
Right
here.
here at the house.
Aw, damn, bro.
Oh, he got like 4K. Oh, he's gonna die. Tito, what the fuck? You stupid ass almost died.
Ah, bro, we battling. Come over here, help me, bro.
Oh.
Enemy. He landed.
Fuck. Give me the money, please.
I'm coming.
Over
Give me the money, Blue. I'm gonna go come down and grab your money, bro. Drop it over there, Blue.
there. Drop that money, man.
Give me, please.
How do you... I dropped it, bro.
Alright, money. Check Cross, thank you, bro. I swear to God, bro, you an A+ student.
Yo, bro. Only J, bro.
Hey, let's go, Check Cross. You can come with us. We're still gonna go up there, cause the storm is coming. We're gonna stay at the LGDA, bro.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La.
There's a bot in front. It's a bot.
Two of them. The real life.
Chill out, bro. Those are bots, bro. Look, that's a damn bot.
How you know it's a bot?
The way
They're gonna shoot like tick 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 tick. Like a motherfucking bot. Like how the fuck a real guy gonna shoot like tick tick tick? What the fuck? You gonna hear that shit? Oh hell no! Move! There's a dick on the side. He don't move. There's a dig in the other side. Let's go up, y'all. One is right here. Oh, you thought he was Spider-Man. Get the fuck out of here. No, I thought he's Spider-Man or something. Come over here. That's how we go up. So fast. And we stay up there and snipe. Just remember, when they're on the bottom, they gotta climb all the way up. Alright. Everybody defend their corners, please.
Over tempo.
Why you guys go outside? Alright, when you guys face real people, I know damn well you guys gonna run. It's alright, Crane. Let's stay here and wait a little bit, okay? If they need support, and then we jump.
Come here, Yellow.
If they need support for real, and then we jump.
Right.
Let's just look at them.
Yeah.
Oh, what is that, bro? That a real person or what?
He's not.
Oh, the team is on the other side, bro. Oh, I'm about to go and kill that motherfucker for sure.
He's dead, bro.
Look, that motherfucker thought he's Rambo, bro. You thought you were Rambo, bro? Who the fuck steal my kill, bro? Hell no. I'm all the way down for nothing.
We can see him clear.
Alright. Yeah, that's a nice one. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna go get some kills, because I have 2 kills.
Right there, right there.
Oh, let it be, bro. Hell no. Did he die?
He's still right there.
Oh, he's still right there? Maybe that's a real guy trying to hide till the end.
Think he went off.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Korean, are you trying to make me get killed? Hell no, I ain't gonna. Check Russ, just kill him, that's a bot. Just come over here. Let's stop everybody from coming on the hill.
Check house right there.
Oh, real people coming in. They're talking, you can hear them.
Yeah.
Buy station down there.
People.
They're on the buy station up front, bro.
Buy station right here.
Oh, yeah. Yep, I see him. Okay. You're on.
I'm gonna come up, yo. Cover me. Don't come down too much. All we gotta do is defend that hill.
Yo, send to Gulag.
Good shit, bro.
I like the way you say, send the cooler.
Oh, this sniper is pretty killer.
Let me see that sniper. Let me see. Man, Cam, what the? That's so good. Where's the camo, bro?
It's not my sniper, bro.
That's Tito?
I
Oh,
found it.
clear as shit.
No, no,
Oh,
no.
about to talk
He's
shit.
ugly as shit, bro.
Never mind. It's look good.
He's over there.
Alright, Tito. I think you gotta sacrifice and go check him out.
I got you.
Alright, cover Tito. Cover Tito. Just cover only. Don't go.
Enemy movement in the AO. Hostile
Oh shit, I didn't mean to kill him, but sorry, man. Sorry, I killed him. You can come back. We don't need that no more.
What we need? UAV.
UAV dying, bro.
Let me see what's here.
I need to come back.
Do you guys see our loadout? Free loadout? Hey, you wanna try my sniper?
Yup.
Alright, let me have that. I'm about to go grab my sniper up there on the loadout, free loading. Hey, try this kilo, I swear.
He landed.
Yo, Cam, try this kilo, I swear it's stupid. That's a new update.
Where?
What? How the fuck? That's a bot, bro.
The fuck?
That's a fucking bot you die on, bro. Are you serious?
Crazy.
No, that's crazy.
Fucking crazy.
It's okay, it's okay. You're gonna come back, cause you're gonna fight a bot. Come to the loadout. Oh shit, real people. Oh, you thought you were gonna catch me like that? Bro, motherfucker trying to kill me so bad.
Ooh.
Did you kill him?
Yeah.
Oh, he almost got me on that, bro. Appreciate the reality.
You feel me?
Alright, I'll be on the loadout waiting for you to come back, Cam.
Sniper.
And I got you a sniper rifle, bro.
SMG here.
Alright, there it is, and there it is. That's the kilo with no stock, no optic. That motherfucker is crazy right now. Try that build. Try that build on the kilo. Try that build.
Gas is inbound.
It's so fast to fuck them up.
Hopping UV.
Alright guys, we gotta go back to our building because we're coming too close. Let's go back, or what? Later on? Oh, never mind. The gas is about to cover it. I think we gotta move over there or something. That's the middle of the... Oh, so what? You gonna turn around or what? Alright, go to our team then. Yeah, let's move out. I know you like that.
Yeah. I need ammo though.
Well, I ain't gonna give you no ammo on my gun.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, try that kilo when you're shooting somebody. I swear, that's stupid.
Yeah.
That kilo is so stupid. Alright, let's go to green and blue because we're gonna get killed. Come. Let's go and get ammo from their side. Yo, Nico. Miguel. Oh, it's Tito. It's not Miguel. I forget. Yo, Tito, bro.
What's up, Kaki?
Yo, what the fuck happened to you, bro? Why you don't talk? You trying to hide? Night crawling ass motherfucker. Hey, somebody's over here, 752. It's on board.
Is that like a team? There's a squad. There's a squad.
I don't give a fuck if there's a squad, alright? I'm here for that. That's the reason why I'm here. That's the reason why I came over here. Hey, what are you sniping, bro? Ooh. Somebody's shooting at me bad all the way back there. Real people. Woo! Here we go. Don't do that. Yep, that's real people right there. Their shooting is fast. Alright, let me send the drone because that's what we do. We play professionally, bro. Alright, targeting range right here, sir. 3, all 3. Real people, real people. I'm talking about real deal. Now let's just stay here and wait. Or if you wanna go and die, Tito, what's your plan, Tito?
They're shooting with guns.
Oh, shit.
Are you ain't about to pull up on us and kill us, motherfucker? Who the fuck you think you are? Chunkneries?
They got them.
Bro, you thought he was Chunkneries or something, y'all. Alright, we gotta go. Wait, why you shooting at me, you poopy ass bot? Get your raggedy right ass out of here. Is that true or there?
Yep, real.
Real? Ain't no real, bro.
Send to Gulag.
Saying do the coolie. That's how I play, bro, sometimes.
Right up here.
I just wanna drive around. I just wanna drive around the circle. I just wanna drive around the circle. No, my car is smoking. I gotta switch. Who's that guy? Where did he come from? Who really love you, baby? Every day. Tito, how the fuck you saw that guy I'm shooting at, bro? Oh my god, this guy should rob me. Remember, real people over here. Oh, they're crossing, real people. Right here, right here, right here. Far, 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 far. Far, far, far. Real people on me. Yep, that's a real guy right there. Come guys, I need support. Oh, I need armor. I need armor, y'all.
So drive on and look for him.
Drop that shit.
Gas is closing in. Hostile UAV in the
Oh
area.
my god, there's no armor here.
Enemy
Oh,
UAV. Enemy deployed to
no.
UAV.
Advanced UAV is crazy.
Move. Go. Down.
Someone else got him. Bitch.
Good shot. Yep. Yeah, you're not moving. Yeah. Okay, now don't run. Yeah.
Look out the hills, they're sniping.
Sniping. Oh yeah, that's too flat later.
Distract for that guy.
Wala yeah.
Damn, where my sniper at, bro? What's this shit, bro?
Ooh, there's nowhere to find me, yeah.
It's okay, bro. It's okay.
What
We
is
go up
the-
that hill, bro.
10 remaining. Keep pushing. Marking enemy.
Over there.
Gas is inbound.
Yeah.
What the f? They're over there, bro.
Marking target location.
There you go. Yeah, they fired. They fired.
Oh, we push him, that's the last. Hold up, G-Craft, hold up.
Yeah, I sniffed.
Come in the middle, bro, come in the middle.
Gas is moving in. Use
Playing 3v3. Cool now.
Coordinates marked.
Someone's right at me, bro. Right over
Lay down, lay down, lay down, lay down. Cover me, bro.
Oh, playing 3v3. Go there first.
right here.
Oh,
Right.
One left, Tito. Open your eyeball.
He's right.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
No enemy movement detected at this site.
Alright, Tito. First time in history.
Mark that shit down.
Look, I ain't got no sniper, bro. That's why I cannot shoot long range, man. That's why I push.
Good shit, bro. Good shit.
And
You're a
Rambo
good coach,
die.
bro.
And Rambo die, apparently.
You're a good coach, bro. You went silent on them.
Oh my god, bro.
Over here, like, hey, one more.
Open your motherfucking eyeball, sir.
Oh, slide off.
Alright, we do that shit. Just remember that.
Mission complete.
Alright, put the real shit on.
I fuck with that, man.
Alright.
Yeah,
we better.
Oh my god. PUBG is so fucked up.
Bro, 23. It's insane, bro.
Bro, my brother is good at it though. They play it every day, the console PUBG. Every time I play with them, bro, I talk shit on that game, bro. This game, bro! What the fuck? Motherfucker said, bro, we don't do that in PUBG, bro. You thought this Call of Duty? Chill the fuck out. Bro, I be going crazy shit when I play with them. And the way you shoot at it, you gotta carefully shot your shot. Like, fuck that. Like, Tito be shooting like...
Time to wake up.
Morning, y'all. Get ready to get rumbled.
Hey, look, bro, prison.
No, I don't want to go prison no more. I finished the thing, man.
What'd you say? You don't want to be a player anymore?
Shut your raggedy rack, goofy ass up.
Look at me, look at me, look up here, look up here, look up here, J Cross. Cam, look up here. To your right, bro.
Shut your to your right, goofy ass up.
You're not cool.
I am, bro, because you guys wasting you guys the bullets.
Talking about.
Fucking crash.
Oh, I have to post that. No, I'm not gonna post that win because I die. Fuck that.
Ah, what a loser. What a loser. Just because you won and you lost.
Yo, why we have to go there? Just drop one fire station on top of them. Because this is a real one. This is not like bot lobby.
We'll go, guys. We'll go. We must do.
Everyone's over there.
Go up there. I'm gonna get the chopper.
Bro, you tripping? There's a squad up there, bro.
I don't give a fuck.
Wait for me. Hey,
Look at him. Look at him. What you trying to do? I'm trying to pick you up, Green. Stop moving. Damn.
Yeah, bro.
Damn. Get up before you die, bro. I swear to God. Oh, there's a queen over there.
Hey, come back.
Oh, I killed the queen.
I got him down. I knocked him down, guys.
Alright, perfect.
Kill him.
Come and kill him.
Killed the king, bro.
This is not the real one. This is the same casual again.
Swoop blood.
Is this casual?
Roll out.
Eh?
The real deal, holy field, bro.
Oh my god, this guy sure. Alright, it's okay. I still love it. Turn 5-2, we're going up. We got visual in the wall. Yo, we got visual. We got visual on the way. Visual, sir. Highlighting. 052, those are real. Chow, one in the back.
Hey, over there.
Oh, another one, sir. Alright, you guys destroy the shit out of my chopper already, man. Damn.
Cam was excited to go too, bro.
You're gonna buy a loadout. Bro, come over here, bro. Alright, let's finish that shit first.
Stay over there, bro.
Yeah, where is it? Pick it up.
They're inside.
Oh,
Oh, we're finishing that one. What you talking
He's
about?
over in the back, bro.
I hear somebody.
He's inside. Inside.
Just kill him, bro. He's scared. How the fuck?
Look at him.
You don't need help. Be scared.
Bro.
Oh, who the fuck you think you are? Huh? Rambo or something? Trying to come up and kill us? Rambo looking ass.
Load out.
Let's finish this and then load out. It's gonna be quick. There's a car right next to us. Now explode that bitch. Just destroy it already.
Good work.
He didn't say look with a chopper. Uh-oh.
There's a car here. There's a good car. After this, we're gonna go buy our loadie up there.
Buy station right here.
Oh no, there's a better buy station over there.
Buy station right here.
Alright, let's go.
Where you guys at?
We got money already. Go to the buy station behind us. Like, chill out. Damn. Go pick blue up and let's go over there. Thank you, Hillbilly. Woo, America. I know they do that. In Afghanistan, bro. They just shoot their guns for fun. America.
I got the load out.
All right, please drop it. You're doing an excellent job,
Yeah, ammo
sir.
box too, bro.
Yo, what's up, Chad?
I'm a boss. Hey, boys, enemy.
Oh shit, bro. You almost got us, bro. That's a real deal Oliville, bro. Oh shit,
Hey,
we're
boy,
surrounded.
watch
We're
out,
surrounded.
people.
Jump in the air. How the fuck you get that kill when I'm the one who shot him, bro? Alright, let's go military. Millie. Bro, Millie, bro.
Enemy rock. I think I hear somebody right?
I got you, bro.
Ooh, Sergeant Cocky got him, bro.
Oh, you probably remember, bro. Oh, I mean, Ego.
Keto! Watch out, that's curse. Your ass gonna get pinballs.
That's you, bro. That's why you running away, bro.
Come over here, bro. Hurry up.
go.
Yeah, we ain't got no time for that bullshit, alright?
Put it here.
Alright, sending drone right now. Scan the area for us in military.
Alright, you should have said I got C4.
Damn.
Bring it back.
No, that's too late. Somebody landed next to me. Oh, I just released my shit to check and then... Thank you.
Holy shit.
Thank you.
Drive a truck.
Thank you. Thank you. What the fuck? Like, oh, 2 shots, never even down him, bro. Like, what the fuck? Who the fuck is that? Come over, you son of a bitch, you motherfucker. What, you gonna save your boyfriend? Where are you?
Yeah, I got a helicopter over there.
Alright, that's our choppy. Alright, I got a chop, I got a what? I got a drone, motherfucker. Where's your C4? I'm here.
Hey, break. You guys come around, bro. I got C4.
Here. Get it.
Hey, right here, one enemy. He's about to land.
Right here, Tito, stop.
Right.
Right here, Tito.
He's right, buddy.
Tito, put it.
Ah,
Enemy soldier incoming.
Put that bitch, Tito.
Friendly loadout
Over.
drops on the way.
Drop it lower.
You got it on it?
Wait.
What?
Right there.
I got him.
Alright, 752. I got a target. Moving in.
What the fuck? It never go.
Yeah.
I think it dropped.
Man, that's some bullshit ass. Man, you don't know how to do that, bro. Alright, pick us up, pilot.
It's not pilot, it's pilot.
You a bitch, bro. Stupid ass bitch.
Hey, Liga dude, let's go.
Everybody on.
Oh, so drop.
Oh.
He's down there, bro.
Wait. No worries. He's going down. Let's go.
Oh, load out, bro. Reload out.
Alright, you wanna use my sniper? You wanna use my sniper? Hey, thank you for the follow. Pointer Constant. Pointer Constant, thank you.
Yeah.
Over there. Damn, Jay.
Look, okay, there it is. Oh, no, give me that. Come. You're using different stuff. This down. No. Yeah, use this gun, bro.
It's a custom weapon.
Gold. Ooh. Okay, let's go
Yeah.
away.
Whose sniper is these with that weak ass no camouflage on it? I'm using it. It's alright. Alright. Where's our chopper? Why it gotta be explode, man? Damn.
Fucking J-Claw didn't explode him.
Enemy movement in the AO.
Alright. Watch out. It's gonna be real people now. Cause
I need ammo. Who got ammo?
there's a ammo in the map, Sarchin. Open your damn eyeball.
I got extra. Okay.
Alright, cover me. Red, yellow, and green.
Green. Fuck is regular green?
Assault rifle.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Okay, right?
What? I saw
Okay, right, not
you.
on.
It's okay, I'll let you kill him.
Yeah, I need plates. I need plates.
No, kill that guy and go get his plates.
I got him. Got you, boss.
Alright, let's fight UAV, please. Never mind, UAV been bought.
Airstrike ready for tasking.
It ran out. You cannot buy UAV on that buy station no more. It's ran out. Oh shit. What the fuck you gonna shoot at me, bro? Hey, people buying up there. Real people. Real people. On me.
I got him.
Okay, boys, stick together. We're still in the mountain. Following that guy.
Watch out, somebody just spotted his old squad over here earlier. 10 seconds ago. Searching, open your eyeball.
Here.
How's that house over there?
Wow.
Gas is closing in. Get to the new safe zone.
Right behind you guys.
Oh, boy, super. Oh,
Don't kill him. Don't kill him.
okay, fine.
They got it, don't worry. Yo, what happened to you, Cross? You got it or what? You got it or what?
Hey, but that's a real player, bro. Where's he going?
Shoot your ass down, trying to kill me ass down. Oh fuck,
Behind you
people
guys,
on
behind
us.
you guys.
Oh, that's a real guy. Oh, he did so fast. He shoot you guys.
Back there, huh?
He shoot you guys fucking so fast. Come on! Did you hear that, bullets? Yo, buy a UAV, please. You got too many money, J Cross. Damn. All right, give me the money, bro. Damn, bro. What you sitting here for? Damn. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. You're safe here right now, bro. You're doing a phenomenal job, sir.
Requesting recon flyover.
Oh, whoa. Lying down. What?
Oh shit. There's three.
Oh, he's flying. He's flying.
Where they are though?
Oh, that's a lie.
Oh, this one right here.
On top, on top. Watch out, watch out. It's getting real right now. It's getting real, y'all.
No.
Mission timeline expired.
He's in front of me.
Hey, bro, what about my knife? Damn. Hey, people down here too. I saw it on the UAV earlier. Yep, that motherfucker is alright there. Right there.
Oh, shooting at me.
Hey, right. Okay. Damn. Who threw that shit?
There you go. Alright, focus, focus. Cam, let me have that money, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro.
I don't even remember shooting somebody. What was that fucking guy?
We buy UAV, so we'll be alright. Anybody want a Lodi
Yeah.
or a UAV?
Nah. I am a bug.
Alright, ammo box on the way. Never buy one. Alright, I lie. I got one.
Friendly ammo box here.
Target location.
Ammo box drop. Did you see that?
Oh, why'd you drop it over there?
Yo, that's a real guy right here. Real guy. He's trying to run away. Hey, you thought you gonna run away though? Yeah.
Turn that motherfucker to go down. Oh, who is sniping? Good shit, so.
Too early, bro. Let's come over here, bro.
Watch out, there's people around here. Open your eyeball. Right here, survive too. We have phone on target.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Survive too. We have phone on target.
Ooh, did you guys see that?
Hey, what?
Up in the air!
No, I'm the one who killed him, bro. I got the kill. What you talking about?
J-Cross behind you.
Yeah, I got the kill on that guy.
I thought I killed him,
Bro, he's lying to you. You killed him. He never killed
Look,
him.
I got 16 kills, bro.
Nah, this guy cannot snipe, bro.
What? I'm not sniping him. I'm using a kilo. I was using a kilo. That guy used. Oh, okay. They're on top. Copy that, sir. I'm about
He's
to.
under him.
These are real people. The one using the cluster.
You see him. You running.
Stick together, boys.
Enemy
Hold on.
UAV is online.
Damn, where you guys at?
Yeah, people on the bottom.
He's over there.
He's there.
They over there. They across. You running back?
Enemy mark.
Enemy soldier incoming.
He's down. There's two down, boys. Kill them. Yeah, you did goddamn. Yeah. The right word. The fucking right word. Oh, the sniper is fucking nice. Hey, what's up? What the fuck is that?
No more fighting in the gulag. Precision airstrike available.
Hey, boys, stick to each other.
Go there.
What
Target
the
marked.
is that?
You've got a loadout
Shot.
drop inbound.
Got him. Bro, you seen that? Snipe that motherfucker. Real close.
Yes!
Man.
Fuck yeah, that's a long shot.
Write it down, bro.
Shut the fuck up.
It's you had it. Go J-Cross, come over here, robot.
Down the buy station trying to buy people back. Help, 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 they're here.
You there? You running?
He's broken.
Down! He's down, he's down.
Hey, people on me. Real people.
On hit him right after.
Get pull out a Lodi. They're crossing right now. Die. Another one.
Same guy,
Down.
Oh, that's sniping, bro.
Hey, right here on this side. Hey,
No mames. Either way, man.
I ran him over.
he's there. Down. He's down.
Yo, he's turning.
He's down.
Bro, one is all the way up here.
Truck. Truck is truck.
Oh shit! The fuck?
Damn.
You're in the top 10. Keep knocking them.
Oh my god, no way. Go up. Take your time.
Get to the new safe zone.
That's the same story like last, bro. Where the fuck am I at? Keep dying so fast. He's here, bro. Dynamite that bitch. Throw dynamite on that truck. Dito. Throw that bomb. Oh, that's way too late. Shoot the truck. It's disabled. Shoot him. It's running. He's running. Shoot him, motherfucker. Shoot the truck. It's disabled, bro. He's running in the middle. Yeah. Yeah, motherfucker. Yo, you guys can buy me. The buy station is still. Get on that scooter, please.
Hey. Don't fuck.
Let's see if it's still getting, cause you kinda late. Oh, you still getting, but you late. But you, oh, look, it just closed. Look,
Where?
it just got closed.
Going.
Keep going. Forget about him. There's only 4 people left.
You're in the top 5. Bring home the win.
Yeah.
2 people left. 2 people left. 2 on 2. 2 on 2.
Let's go, J-Cross.
Yes.
Hey, focus, bro.
We're 2v2.
Yeah, focus, bro.
You're right. Yep.
Stay on the gas, right.
Right there.
Yep.
New safe zone located.
Oh my
They're
god.
shooting at you, bro. Call for him.
Let down auto.
Go to that
Hey,
building.
J-Cross, I need help.
Yo, go to
Go
that
to the
building
building,
and
get
defend that. Stay there at the building. Go to the building over there. Oh, wow.
Go, J-Cross, shoot him.
Oh, one just got there loaded.
He aiming at me, J-Cross.
Go, get that, shoot him.
Alright, stay there. Come green. You guys got the building. All you gotta do is just hide and shoot.
Right there. Yeah. Play it up, bro. Play it up.
It's coming.
Hey, Walker, you get straight.
Oh, like I say, they got the building now. Oh my god.
Let's shoot if you don't see him. Oh,
It's alright. Almost.
Alright, the real one now. Hey, you better not die, Captain. You're dying and asking for help at the same time is insane. I don't know, bro.
how the fuck he died?
I have no idea, bro. Sometimes this guy, bro, just crazy, bro.
Loco. Fuck.
I tempted the pin.
We're close to winning too, dog.
Bro, plate the fuck up, guys.
I'm gonna play it that time.
J Cross, wear your headset, bro. This is when you need it.
It's really good, and they can jump right on top for us. That's silly. This shit got me fucked up.
Wait, to the left. Get the building. Get the building. Ah, what everybody? But he sounded like for a second. You guys made Captain almost do a backflip, bro. He said get the building. What building, fool? He said building. I was like, nigga, what building, bro?
All I seen was trees.
And then you see Jake Cross over there standing in plain sight.
Oh, Jake Cross was lost. Those fuckers aiming at me, though. They were
Bro.
like, oh, yeah, that's the real player, that guy.
He got
Left
so lost
Jake
here,
Cross.
throw a grenade, bro.
That was fucked up.
This man got so lost, he tried to...
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
You guys watch? Grenade, bro.
That's not for a game, boss. The captain.
Yeah, there's a real game, bro. We need it, bro.
Time for some target practice.
Can you even hear him?
Locked in, bro. I'm not fucking around.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
That's crazy.
Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment.
Yo, Captain. Your turn, please.
I think Captain is upset. Captain, I'm like,
He's trying to think of what building he was talking about.
where we going, Captain?
Hey, get the building! Get the building! There you go! Jay Cross is...
Shut your liking ass up.
Hey, bro, this guy die again.
Storage
Hey,
down.
everybody jump out already, bro.
Where?
Bro, you tripping right now, bro.
No, I'm trying to get high. I'm not tripping.
Come
I
here.
told you tripping.
Hunt down the enemy.
But they're right next to you, bro.
Then they cocaine, making me love you.
Enemy.
Now I stop using my head, let it all go.
Hey, watch out, bro.
That's our real people. These ain't no damn bots, alright,
Oh,
sir?
for
Do you understand?
Yeah, right here.
Oh fuck, are you serious? Why you run, Tito? Oh, you run and got killed over there.
I thought you
Damn.
was born. I thought you was born, bitch. Oh my god, bro. Just killed me, man. I'm wasting time.
Welcome to the Gulag. right to win redeployment.
Did they fucking you in the back,
Fuck out of here,
Tito?
boy.
God damn.
Fuck out of here. Coming back.
He's showing us how he was made.
Damn, why do you like that, bro?
Fuck you.
I'm the last guy.
Damn, J girls, they crap you too?
Almost your turn,
Shut the fuck up,
They crap J girls right now. Look, now he
Bite
died.
his cheeks, dog, and suck it.
redeployment. Means elimination.
It's a gay up. Sometimes he
Little
said.
cunts.
Head to Gulag, boy. Come back.
Tell these fuckers come over here, bro. You fucking strapped, bro.
Look at him hiding in the back.
Come to Gulag, bro.
What the fuck?
What you waiting for, blood?
Oh my god, no. We are so suck, bro. We laughing at each other
Oh,
like
you lost.
we fucked up.
Fuck.
Why the fuck you put this, bro? We used to the.
Oh, you died. Oh shit! I told you guys. Should have bet on that.
Let me find me a new setting. Let me find me a new setting, y'all.
Hey Cam, over here,
On
bro.
TikTok.
Closing in.
Oh,
Come over here, jump over here and buy them, bro.
Where you at?
Look at the map, fool.
You far.
Come, nigga, come over and buy them out. Come over. No, nah. Nah, I got you, bro. Come here, bro.
Oh, what
Stay alive, bro.
Whoa.
Crawl my way, bro.
the
I'm
fuck?
crawling, bro.
Oh, I hope you make it. What the fuck?
Bro, I gonna make them, bro. Just no worries, bro.
No way.
Yeah, bro. Watch.
Tab over to the view slide.
That
Field of view,
damn
make sure
fast.
this is in between 110 and 120 so you're not getting your camera broken. ADS field of view, make sure this is unaffected so when you aim down sights and stays in that
Got
window we just
one, dude.
selected. Weapon field of view, make sure you select wide so the weapon looks Weapon motion blur off, weapon motion blur off, first person camera movement to
Bro,
50%.
where you
Always
at?
reducing that extra screen shake garbage on your screen. Before I get this
Nah,
last one,
I'm
make sure to follow
scared.
for updates in the new season. And now go
Nah,
to the
come over
control
here,
tab
bro.
on the aiming
Ah, you
slide.
got me
Go down to
fucked up,
aiming
bro.
advanced settings. Make sure your
You got me
ADS
coming all the way
changes
over
time
here.
is on
What
instant
the
and your
fuck?
aim response. If you want
Hey, that's the building right there.
Fuck that building. I don't want to know about it, bro. Where'd you die, bro?
I don't know. Look at my map. Look at the map, bro. I don't know. Right there.
They know there's a buy station.
If you want, look, we are all tired. Don't. So I roll. You want your
4,000 is insane,
settings to
bro.
get 8.65 horizontal.
You know, what a stadium, dude.
All right, 165. Hey guys, get ready. I'm gonna be a demon, okay?
And vertical sensitivity.
Damn.
Next, go to your dead zone inputs and make sure that you are playing on left stick minimum.
366.3. Alright, I'm not sure about this one. 366.
Hey, man. Yup. Start. Go get him.
Minimum set to 0. Left stick max set to 66. Right stick minimum set to 3. And right stick max set to 99. Then go over to your aiming advanced settings and make sure that your
your ADS sensitivity transitional timing is set to instant, and that your aim response curve type is set to dynamic. Now here's the secret setting right here. Go over to your motion sensor advanced settings. Find the setting called FOV sensitivity scaling and make sure this is turned off. Then head over to your graphics settings and go to the view tab. The setting in the view tab give you no recoil as if you were using a Cronus Zen. So be sure to set your FOV to 120 because you want your game more zoomed out so you have less visible recoil. Then make sure that your ADS field of view is set to affected and that your weapon field of view is set to wide. And finally, make sure that your first person camera movement is set to least 50%. With these settings, your aim should look something like
That's J-Cross.
weapon field of view is set to wide. And finally, make sure that your first person camera movement is set
J-Cross,
to least
tell
50%.
him, bro.
And that you're sure to set your FOV to 120 because you want your game more zoomed out so you have less visible recoil. Find the setting called FOV sensitivity scaling and make sure this is turned off. Then head over to your graphics settings and go to the view tab. The settings in the view tab give you no recoil as if you were using a Cronus Zen. So be sure to set your FOV to 120 because you want your game zoomed out so you have less visible recoil. Then make sure that your ADS field of view is set to affected and that your weapon field of view is set to wide. And finally, make sure that your first person camera movement is set to least 50%. With these settings, your aim should look something like this. Oh my god, aimbot. These are the best controller settings to get aimbot for Verdansk and Warzone 2. To start with, go to your controller settings and make sure that you are playing on 1.65 horizontal and vertical sensitivity. Next, go to your dead zone inputs and make sure that you are playing on left stick minimum set to 0, left stick max set to 66, right stick minimum set to 3, and right stick max set to 99. Then go over to your aiming advanced settings and make sure that your ADS sensitivity transitional timing is set to instant and that your response curve type is set to dynamic. Now here's the secret setting right here. Go over to your motion sensor advanced settings. Find the setting called FOV sensitivity scaling and make sure this is turned off. Then head over to your graphics settings and go to the view tab. The settings in the view tab give you no recoil as if you were using so be sure to set your
Alright, lock her in, man. We're going now. Hey, look at the map.
Lock in. Lock the fuck in, let's win.
I like it, I like it.
Ain't nobody here. We've been here before.
Nah, bro. Right there, drop right there, bro.
You're clear to engage with hostile.
That's better.
Yes, right here. Fuck. Hey, this fucking setting that I just had is not good at all.
Is that a enemy?
You ran, bro.
He's right here, bro.
Fight for your life. Be ready. You're next.
He's over here. What the fuck?
Earn redeployment or die trying.
Ooh!
Oh, what the hell?
The same guy?
No J-Cross, yeah, bro. No J-Cross, dude.
There's no J-Cross.
He's coming. He's coming to J-Cross. He's gonna die, bro. Oh, man. That fucker got us to leave. Ain't no fucking way, boy. This person's coming toward you.
Heli marked.
They cross.
Oh, fuck.
That's the right word. Oh fuck, that's the right word. Oh. This is good guy.
Squad mate won
Some
the
blood.
fight. They're redeploying now. Squad mates in the gulag. If they survive, they redeploy.
What's that, B?
Wanted contract right here.
Damn, he killed me.
Wanted contract right here.
They're arching me at this point.
Fucked up.
Squad mate redeploying to the AR.
Oh, that's all. See what it is.
There's a bounty on your head. Eliminate hostiles. Secure supply caches to get rid of it. Head to the safe zone. Gas inbound.
Mark the story, bro.
Don't worry about him. I got Crown. You wanna come with me, Dito?
Nigga, no shit, bro. I ain't trying to run around.
Alright.
Niggas already up there chilling and shit.
I got Crown. You didn't see?
Enough money.
Come pick me up.
Hey, boy.
Hell no, I'm digging shit you up.
Come on, bro. Move it.
Nigga, you talk shit and you wanna come again. Oh my god. I got Crown.
Watch when you die.
Oh, you good?
Yeah, bro. You're so slow.
Pistol. Oh, you're not gonna buy back.
Hey, we ain't got no money. Wait for the Crown. It's 2 minutes. Look, we ain't got no money. It's 4,000 for one guy. You know what I mean?
Hey, these guys are up the hill, bro.
Alright, stay there, stay there. Oh no, we need a buy station. Oh, you got a big ass eyeball. How the fuck you see that orange box? Yo, big ass hallway.
Just fucking orange, bro.
Well, we can buy a loadout over here, y'all. Yep.
You've achieved the objective.
Alright, come on, y'all.
Here we go.
Come over here. Give me your money. Let's buy a loadie.
Well, let me get some money.
Oh shit, I'm off at the zone. Hey, let's go to
What?
the car.
You guys have, we have too much money already.
Oh shit, I never know. Sorry.
Hey, let's go J Cross. Oh, go.
Oh fuck, I'm lagging, bro.
Look at them, look, look. Oh my god.
We need load out.
Damn, I'm lagging.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
Oh, hey,
Come, let's
loadout
buy our
dropped
own loadout. Don't go for that. Oh my god, look at that guy. Alright, buy us a loadout, bro. Damn.
in. Okay, let's go.
Look at them, why they come back? Oh, UAV please, Cam. Why you're not fully armor? You're not fully armor, Cam.
Oh,
Well, congratulations, sir. You have completed the mission.
I fucking blew up this chopper. Yeah, that's all, man.
I'm gonna send that car to Australia.
Let's go, boy.
Well, please.
Yo, there's a buy station and you guys didn't even buy. Alright, I got some. I can share some.
It's 10,000.
Like couple 3. I got 3 armor over there if you want.
Let's go right here.
Please don't ask me again, okay? I ain't got no more armor, okay? Hey, come over here so we can go under the tunnel. Please, 052. 0152.
What the fuck is the one?
Over here, y'all. Woo! Alright, let's go over there. Go under the tunnel.
Hostile UAV in the area.
I got you, bro. Bro, we're running in plain sight right now.
Oh, yes, here, please.
Alright, we'll be alright.
Want to get one?
Hey, come down here, bro. You're gonna get shot.
How you know?
Because I know of the know. I'm gonna grab the... Oh, it's a good time to stay up there and shoot. I think. No, there's a whole squad. I lie. Alright, let's stay here till the cast move. We'll be alright. Can somebody run across the field? Because we need a target. Random. I'm talking about the randoms, the enemies. They're talking. Yo, top
Right there.
22. True. Oh, across the area.
Oh, yeah.
052, there's a truck.
He's too nice for that. He's gone.
Oh, I'm gonna go and kill that motherfucker before we get to the building. Cause I am not stupid to let you come here.
Oh, yeah.
I got him.
Where is he? You kill him?
Nope.
Where's the guy that pushed to our side?
He's over there.
No, I don't see him no more.
It's not hitting, dog.
Need ammo.
Alright, I'm about to find this fucker. Watch out guys, maybe somebody's on the zip line. Alright, they're coming in the car.
Relocating safe zone.
Oh, they're fighting.
Yeah, he goes there.
File is active.
There's two, only two. There's only two. One is hiding over here. Oh, he did.
I was shot in the back of us, bro.
Oh yeah, he's crossing now. Crossing now. Come on, come on, come on. Push, push, push.
Right there.
Alright, I'm going over. Can you bring the bike?
What's this guy feeling like?
Bring the bike. We both go. He just bought somebody. Bring the bike. Oh, me and you. Go straight at him. There's a motherfucker just dropped right now.
Oh, I didn't.
Oh my god, no way.
Oh, hey,
Wow.
wait, hold on, don't go. I'm getting sniped, dog.
It's okay. Do you see the way we almost killed them?
Oh,
The fuck?
Y'all fucking garbage, bro.
Oh yeah, look at this guy's gonna die.
I don't feel so good.
What the fuck? Going
It's better than the way you die. Just hide over there and die. We push and enjoy it. Oh my god, I till he die.
Hey, we bullshit.
Hey, if you guys shoot
Bullshit.
them at the same time we push, we shoot success. Like they're gonna be panic and try to shoot back. But you guys didn't even shot no damn bullets, bro. You guys just staring at us and oh, let's see what they're gonna do. Okay. Oh shit, they died, bro. That's what happened, man. It's okay. Can we go back to Rebirth after this? I'm feeling homesick.
Feeling born again. Oh, you fucked up, bro. You gonna buy this guy? Damn. Now you're gonna die, bro.
Dog, I'm smoking cigarette. Damn.
Look, you panicking, bro.
I'm smoking cigarette and you... Yo, bro. Why you buying me? It's okay, man. I come help you, okay? Don't worry, I got this, bro. Look, you don't know there's a car over here. I'm the only guy who know. Well, never mind. It's broken, don't grab it.
Too early, bro. You ain't gonna play hell, bro.
Oh, bro, you want me to save the day, bro? Look, I'm gonna buy that guy. Yo, thank you for buying me back, bro. You choose to ride. Woo! Give me your money.
He almost died because of you guys.
Let me go buy him, bro. Hey, watch out. Don't let the gas touch your body. Hey, there's a scavvy over there. Grab the scavvy, bro. That's the money right there. We know that's money. Oh, shit.
That on you, dude.
Run,
Look at him run. Look at him run.
run.
Yo, you a bitch. Oh my god. Yo, my setting so. Alright, three bird.
Yeah, what a teammate.
Luke, I'm the coach.
That was a U-turn, bro.
You see that?
Crazy work.
And that your aim response curve type is set to dynamic. Now here's the secret setting right. Remember, I got you. So I don't look here all.
Bro, you seen the way he was running away from you, bro. Don't follow him, bro. And what do you say?
What do
He
you
brought
want
back
though
the
for
right
revert,
guy.
Did you see? I'm the coach, bro.
He almost shit the pants running, bro. He almost went doo-doo his pants.
Use this time for some target practice.
Home base. I got him.
Shadow 01. Deployment to the war zone has been authorized.
You guys ready?
Hey, we had communication.
Bobby Boucher.
Bobby Boucher.
Get this dog. Dog. Get together.
Alright, son, you dropped 20 kills.
What did this guy say?
I don't know.
4 kills?
Shut your raggedy rag irie ass up. Tell me about 4 kills, nigga. About to eat that 20 bomb, bro.
Enemies are dropping into the
You thought I was lying, don't you?
We've got 10 squads active.
One down, baby.
He's over there.
Load off.
Yes. Wow.
Oh shit, I fought this nigga. What the fuck?
Oh wow.
Nigga. I was from army. Fuck.
Enemy UAV is online.
What happened, man?
Hey, money. We need more money, boy. I need to get this card. Hurry up, come.
Are you sure? I got something, bro.
Oh, let's go on the road.
Where's the money at? No loadout.
Hey, on the
Oh, I
roof.
thought you guys spied a loadie. Oh,
On the roof.
Enemy
okay.
UAV overhead.
Nope, I was flying.
The squad's in the safe zone. You've got gas moving in.
If you want ammo,
Friendly ammo box here.
hey, people on the bottom. Bottom.
UAV in the area.
You see what? On the bottom.
Hey, where? Hey, on the.
Yes! One shot. Fuck. Yes.
Go on top, doing one. They will land on the roof.
You're getting another shot. Weapons free.
Hey, let's go on the roof.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Oh, yeah.
They stay over there.
Enemy overhead.
I have no idea where I'm getting hit to.
Odds remaining operators.
There's a sniper.
Oh,
Yeah. Charcoal. Just stay there.
There's people
Yeah, stay
here.
there.
There's people here.
yeah, watch out in there.
Yes, Carl. Fuck.
Right there.
That is so cap, bro. Like, come on.
No, man. I need ammo.
These are hard scoping, bro.
You gotta get ammo box.
Get ready. You're redeploying.
Your heart's scoping like he not. Oh, hilarious. He's trying to, but he cannot. It's too slow.
You gotta get ammo box.
Yes, you motherfucker. I swear to God, this motherfucker crouch. Oh my goodness, bro. No, come on, bro. Alright, I'm just gonna use 85 like always. I'm going back.
Returning you to the front. Early.
Back.
Your squad makes it to the safe zone.
Damn, motherfucker. They're right there on the tank. All y'all can look around over there in the tank and kill those motherfuckers. They're right there on the tank. Look, teammate. Teammate on the tank. Oh my god, bro.
5 squads still operational in the AO. Time for vengeance.
I knocked one.
See, I know you guys gonna knock one, alright? Cause you guys can see that so clear and they're gonna see you good.
The enemy has longer tracking you. We lost them.
Uh-oh. Oh, cross.
Oh, I got
Oh,
sniped.
no.
I'm good.
Alright, I'm going over there where they at. Y'all, I'm delivering a message to you guys. Eso la quiere.
Stay on the...
Fire sale active. Fire station price.
They will come on. Everybody stick together. Here they come. They're coming.
Hey, you know why your gun is not too strong? You gotta use the right barrel. Tito. Yeah.
Kick her out.
Right
Oh
there.
my god.
Stay cross.
Oh, that's the right barrel right there, y'all. You got the right barrel. All y'all die. Nigga got the right barrel, bro.
My bad.
Fuck off.
J-Cross. You funny, bro. Yo, J-Cross, bro.
You guys go follow J Crown. Add him up on every single fucking.
Oh, a lot of.
Yeah, we can buy.
On top of prison.
Yo. Rico, what kind of. What the fuck? Yo. Oh my god, what? Kataligasip mga siya pala mong. What the? You see the burst gun? That's what the fuck you did. Oh, commando again. Oh, what did I do? Bro, I got Ghost, Commando. Bro, what else do I got?
Hamilton.
It's Commando, man. The fuck?
It's Commando, man.
I am Rambo. They should put Rambo in this shit, man. And play that shit before we still bot. We was trying to learn this shit as fast as we can, bro.
Nigga, the only bot here is you, bro.
Whoo! Bro, you cannot even cover me, bro. Motherfucker let me die, bro. That's for damn sure. Whoo! Bro, that's brain damage. Alright, after this we gotta go to casual, man. It's too early in the morning.
shooting each other, man. Look over here.
Fucking shit.
Mic check.
Hey, I'm gonna play a little bit and then I go buy something and then come back. Buy me a Copenhagen, guys. I need a Copenhagen. Hey, people, open your damn eyeball, alright? Because I ain't got no time telling you where to go. Damn, they left me again, bro. Man, you're some bullshit, dude.
Oh, get him.
No worries, I coming, bro.
Whatever, bro.
No worries, I coming, bro.
You see the K guy on TikTok that always say whatever?
Oh, sorry,
yeah, whatever.
Not behind you.
What is that behind, bro? What is that called behind? Why you guys leave me over here, huh? What is that? What is that behind, bro? Who got the money? Hmm? Who is it? And who's gonna buy the loadout? Me. It's your bitch, bro. Both of you is a bitch. No chance.
Wow.
Yo, watch out, just. You guys kind of scaring me right now, bro.
Load out. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, what the?
Damn.
They're over there watching the game.
Oh, that's fucked up, low life.
That's crazy.
Alright, I try all the motherfucking shit and it's not working, bro. Go back to my same saving, bro. I'm gonna use my...
Cannot do shit.
I'm gonna use my regular saving, that's all I'm good at. What the fuck? Who the fuck sniped me like that? It's coming in right now.
Right.
Cover, 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 cover.
Yeah. I think it's pistol.
Young motherfucker.
Hey, stay near. Stay near, stay near.
They're shooting to the tent.
Stay near.
You thought you gonna kill me, don't you? Oh fuck, run! Nigga, run! Oh, nigga, get out of there.
A lot of guys over there. I'm going to explode off.
Oops. I did it again.
Hey, yo. Help me.
Say sorry. Yeah, this guy almost says sorry, man. No cap, chat. Hey, there's a one right here. Gas mask. I know you're gonna need it. And there's a armor face. I know you're gonna need it. And wait. Ah! Whoa, that gun is...
Oh my god.
What the fuck? Yo.
That was quick though.
That's what the fuck I'm saying. Why so fast? Like...
I think he's a hacker now.
Like, it's like you're fucking metting it to that shit. You stuck to it. Look at them stay up there and wait for us to come down.
Look at this bullshit. Oh my god.
Suck ass motherfucker! I fake him the whole time, bro. Watch out! I'm trying a kill streak over there. Alright, you can pick him up.
Oh, he sniped me.
Alright, just kill yourself and you're gonna spawn, Gus. You're gonna pick you up, Sarchi.
Ah, he's coming down.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Kill yourself, bro.
Oh, can you see me on? That's freaking out.
Alright, I think this is the only good setting for me. Sniper, fuck you! You ain't gonna get me, you stupid ass bitch! Motherfucker thought he's gonna get me too, bro. Fuck you.
Hey, over here, go
Oh, you know what? I'm going to do that motherfucker. That motherfucker pissed me off. Where the fuck are you, bitch ass?
Ammo.
Oh, there you are, you motherfucker. Fuck! Alright, never mind, that's not him. Fuck.
Jeez.
Get ready, boy. Let's fuck some shit up.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Push up.
Advanced UAV. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV is online.
To the left.
Resurgence is about to end. Make it count.
To the left, to the left.
I'll go over there.
To the right, to the right. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the chat, bro. What's up, y'all? How you doing? How you doing?
Oh, fuck. The hell? Oh, they fucking me at us. Look how they know.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Watch out, people on the other side. Tunnel! You don't know where's tunnel? Oh, fuck. Buy station right now. 2 of them.
How the fuck I'm getting hit though?
Woo! Bro, I'm gonna be saving the day again. Bro, that's crazy. That's mean I am Robocop. Bro. Look at that stupid ass motherfucker right there, bro. He don't know I'm about to get Nebby's ass. Oh, watch, you don't know shit.
He's down there.
Are you sure, sir?
He's up there. To your right, to your right. He's on the ground.
Oh, you lying to me so much that I miss all my shots.
Bro, he's up here, bro.
Watch out, sniper, watch out, guys. Why you go over there? You know why I didn't go over there?
Fuck.
Because of that guy.
He's laying over here, bro.
Clear another target during contract timeline.
Oh, you a bitch.
You're left.
Now you're gonna die on the gas.
They're on your left.
This guy was so hungry.
Bro,
I'm gonna kill him. Damn, I suck. I'm getting tired, that's why. Oh shit, bro. Who the hell are you? By us, bro. Oh, never mind. You're gonna die. I forget about that, man. Sorry, man. Alright, that's all, bro. Gotta wake up a little bit. Gotta be that shit. Damn, I'm getting tired like a motherfucker. I got mercy to go to the store. Shut your raggedy rabbit ass up.
Bro, DoorDash that shit.
You know what? You a rabbit wanna be a kangaroo, yeah? You gonna stay rabbit. You will never get bigger.
That's some very well-loved things to say, bro.
Man, you're like a rabbit wanna be a kangaroo.
What's the difference?
The rabbit is small, kangaroo is big as fuck. So you gonna stay small, okay? You're the rabbit.
What, you the kangaroo?
Deep enough? Not deep enough, but tall enough. My hands, top of my hands were hitting this piece of metal. So what I did is I got that,
Check weapons and gear. We're holding for deployment. Prep time's over. Now you deploy to the war zone.
Alright, you know what? I got a plan. I'm gonna lay down and play. Instead of sitting, I must lay the fuck down and play.
You garbage, bro. Just do whatever, bro.
Who the fuck?
I'm gonna die to bot.
Man, I carry you the whole match, last match.
Where we're going?
Go all the way down to the mountain.
Yeah, let's go all the way. Welcome. There's no McCall over here, bro.
Just let them kick us out the plane, bro.
Then you kill the real guys that AFK. Only real guys come AFK at the end. Alright, those are real guys. There's a couple of them. Yep, there's a couple of them. I see you. Yo, you thought you're gonna try and do the fucking the real world and trying to be AFK, bro? What do you think you are?
Where's his other friend?
I don't know.
My ass, more like one.
No information, sir. Oh, pilot! Go to the scavvy and grab it, please.
Hey, wait for me, bro. Wait for me.
Bro.
Wait for me. Let me catch a ride.
Damn, you have a car already.
Ride him over.
There's one guy with you, bro. See, you do that shit, bro. What you talking about?
Hold on. Oh, you pick up the plate.
Hey, somebody's shooting at you guys.
We got him. Hey, come over here, bro. Go.
Oh.
Where the fuck shooting at the mountain?
Go over there, yep. Go up to the mountain. They're there. Keep going.
Finish that thing.
The shooting there, bro. The shooting, bro. We need a car that covers us. Let's go get that shit.
One supply box down. 2 remain.
Oh, let's get on back.
No, when I lay down, it's pretty comfortable, bro. Yo, guys, lay your ass down. No, sorry, you're hit. Fuck, what the fuck am I talking about? Hey, let's buy a Lodi. In the buy station over here, sir. I'm back, yellow. Hello. Blue, green. Meet you guys.
Go, buddy. Hop in. Let's go. Load out. Go. Oh, right there. Somebody's shooting. He's there.
Alright, target.
We're coming, bro. We're coming. Don't worry.
I'm dropping money.
Lots of cash.
Okay. Hey, wait.
Money's on the buy station.
Yeah, I got that sniper.
Go, J-Car. Where?
Yeah. Where? There you go.
Load out.
Load out.
Coming.
Load that drop. Headed your way.
Hey, number 4, where you at? You load out.
Ammo box, buy one.
Ammo box, buy an ammo box. Ammo box.
Hey, that's the enemy. Hey. Over, bro. One. Not on. Yeah, that's a knock. Bro, why you gotta just kill that?
Hell, bro.
He's been terminated.
There's the ammo box.
I got it. You need it?
I'm a ball. Alright.
Let's get out of here.
Oh, what the fuck was that?
I get shocked, bro. it's like, yo.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Hey, that's the enemy. Hey.
Got it. Well, there's two loadout over. Real team right next to us. Okay, car 98 killer.
Oh.
Hostile airstrike incoming.
Oh shit, somebody
The
saw
enemy
me.
lost track of you. Good work down there.
Yep, somebody just saw me when I stand there. It's a real guy. He tried to come to the Lodi. Hey, just stay on the Lodi. There it is. There it is. You see him? It's a real guy right there. Got him. That's it wrong.
What?
What? Check us. What is the what?
All squad mates are in the safe zone.
Fuck up. It's my phone. Yes, fuck.
Oh, got him.
Ran him?
There.
Ooh, I knocked him.
I'm stressed out over here. Alright, never mind. I'm no more stressed out.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Where? Well, right there, bro. How the fuck you gonna shoot him? Watch me. Man, fuck that dude. Where the fuck I have to shoot like? How the fuck you didn't down, bro?
I got scored. There's motherfucker it is.
Sure, people saw you when you go down. Bro, there's a lot of money on top, bro. What the fuck? I just scrapped like 10 grand, bro. Do you hear me? Look at the money off. I grabbed 10 grand. With a good gun over there. So remember this spot. They put the orange box here. Where? Scoot to snipe. Nothing. Break. Where are you going? Look, you look stupid. Oh, you got ground, that guy. He died. This is simple. Hey, that. Now they're fighting.
Get to the safe zone. You're losing ground. Move it.
Let's go buy ammo. There's a real guy up here. Next to me.
Hey, go on me. Okay.
Going for a UV. Oh, fuck the. Oh, we got the loadie already. Alright, ammo box. Self. There's fuel down there.
Priority tasking request received. UAV exiting AO.
There's some people over. Yep.
Ándalo.
Enemy KIA.
Where are they? Real players over there. He's broken.
Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Coming in hot. Yeah. 10 to Gula.
Good check, good check, good check.
No bad shit.
He's on top of hill.
Send them.
Great authorizing UAV mission.
Not all landing.
You got him.
Kill the crown. Cam, get ready to kill the crown. Kill him, Inspector, get up. Get up on top. Look, you get out of it.
That? How I do that? I got it.
Now, let me get up.
Let's go.
Alright, let me show you how to do it, bro. Where is he? Still here, still here.
Smoking in the spot.
There you go, disable. You ain't gonna run, bitch. What, you gonna run away?
Go.
Someone's coming to us.
Yeah. Watch out, real people here. Oh no.
He's getting back up, he's getting back up.
Fuck, my love.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
Fuck you.
Enemy movement.
It's on my side.
Oh yeah, that's everything.
You tried to run away, huh? You ain't gonna run away, dude. Fuck, help!
Damn.
Fucking shit. yeah. Fuck we're talking about. Come over, stay still. Only real people left, top 10.
Go, boys.
You cover me, I need a gun. That motherfucker.
Lock me. Get this, Go.
Yeah. People here.
Hey, let's go.
They're right there. Just yes. Fucking put it on the wrong space.
One down.
I got him.
Not on down.
Kill him. It's right there. One left. Fuck yeah. One team left. One team left. Don't let him kill you guys, bro. So one team left. Two team. Hey. 2v2 now. There's only 4 people left. Fire station is still open. Only 4 people left.
Hey, let's go this way. We'll come.
Only one guy left. He's going to the buy station right now. I can hear him.
Yeah, bro.
I can hear him. He says he's gonna go.
Yeah, I heard him.
Alright, he's on it.
Window,
oh shit, they froze.
Oh, shit.
Oh, we win. That's it. We win. Oh, 1v1.
In here.
Okay,
Hey,
just
man,
take your time.
Play 1v1.
Alright, go buy us or something. Yeah, you're smart. Yeah, you better go. Wait. Just kill him. Oh, no. Just go.
Turn around.
No, don't turn around. Go and buy us. Fuck that. Don't turn around, bro. Why the fuck you gotta turn around for?
We only got 1 stem, bro.
It's alright.
That's okay.
At least we back. At least we back and we're gonna fuck that motherfucker
Come back, boy.
up.
Let's cook this bitch.
Yeah, damn well.
Yeah.
It's over there.
Push him.
Yep.
Whoa, push him 1 time.
Everybody push him.
Oh yeah.
Still have squad mates outside the safe zone.
It's over there. He's over there.
He's down.
Oh, he's behind us.
He's at the rock. I got him.
Right there, yeah.
I got him.
That motherfucker passed us, bro. Nice, bro. We are not another one.
Good shit.
Damn. Bro, he's almost shit himself. No, bro, that guy's about to shit himself.
What's up? Again or no? Bolt eye.
Are you the guy that sang the Iniquity song?
Commando, what did I do?
Oh my gosh.
this design.
Zing zing long, zing 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 ling.
Hey, remember, they keep losing. These are all got bullshit, bro. You see what I'm saying? He dies on his bots, bro. It's crazy. This guy's trash. He dies to bots, bro.
Normally,
Man, Boot Search and Destroy custom, bro.
So much has already happened in the first half, and the acceptance speeches have been on fire. Who got shouted out the most? Let's look at the numbers. All right, cast and crew are leading the way with 11 mentions. Moms are holding strong with 3 shout-outs. God, creator of the universe, 0 mentions. No surprise in this godless
And where are you?
Me? I'm rocking solo. I'm rocking solo for finally,
Much
bitch.
has already happened in the first half, and the acceptance speeches have
Oh, damn.
These motherfuckers stupid.
Get not a dog, boys.
Drop and wipe everybody, bro.
Shut your baby balder looking ass up.
Shut your episode 69111.
Oh god.
Last I remember, only had 1-1 in there. They had fucking 1-1-1.
Bro, I'm the commando last match right here.
That's Commando. You watched this one, bro.
Yo, I'm Rambo actually, man.
Well, you cock-a-doodle-doo, bro.
Whoa. Chill out over there, no diggy, man.
No boogie. Hey, boogie.
There's a bounty on your head. Eliminate hostiles and secure supply caches to get rid of
Well, I'm a crown, but it's alright. I'm just gonna relax. Nobody's gonna kill me.
Yeah, look at this guy. This is the only guy who can enjoy being crowned. Why are you laying down, bro? Put your ass to the ground, then.
Watch out, guys. Leave. You guys are gonna die. I'm on the ground, man.
For real.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta do that to us, bro.
Oh shit, why did the trophy fall down? I want you to be... Why did this trophy keep falling down, bro? Oh, now it's connected. Alright, yo, let's go. Jerusalem flight down. Kill that son of a gun, bro. It's right there. It's a pod. Right there. Kill. Let me kill him. Oh shit, Green looked desperate over here.
Where the fuck is that pod? coming.
We are early. You just wanna do a challenge?
Hostile UAV in the area.
Soup. This one right there, kill him, bot. It's real people, not bot. Yeah, we're real people, bro. Why you jump? We can just stay on the... Stay on it, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god. You know what? It's alright. There's a real guy still over there. Alright, let's go kill him. Fuck it. Fuck that. We're not gonna just... Still there. Watch out.
Ooh.
Oh, he's over here, bro. He's over here. Ooh, he's outside.
Hey, that's not him. Alright, help me. Help, help. Yeah, no. Hey, help. Hey, you stay cover. Stay cover up. Hey, yo.
That's it.
Yeah.
Wait, I want to fart and that guy act like he's trying to kill him. Oh shit. Oh, Dito saved the day, huh? Let's go buy a loadout.
Yeah.
Station right here.
It's right there. Bring our chopper, man. The chopper off a trophy on it. Where the chopper? What? Are you crazy?
Oh, hey. Enemy.
Damn, bro. The way he dies, like he shit himself. Just walk. It's right there.
Wait for him, bro.
Bro, it's right there, bro. You know, dude. Chill the hell out, bro. You talk too much. Look, I lied, bro. Yo,
you don't like wait for me?
Yo, come on, I give you my money.
I got him.
I got the loadout, y'all.
Alright.
Yo. Drop him.
Loadout drop heading your way.
This guy is crazy.
Oh my god, that's funny as fuck.
Fucking Rambo, yo.
Right here.
Oh fuck, my stomach hurt. I'm breaking.
You load out. Load out.
Motherfucker. Nice. Can't believe all this outfit, bro. He's fucking... What? God damn.
What's the plan, guys? What's the plan?
Yeah, they bring out a lot of different outfits.
Hey, right here, please.
Who the fuck? Wait, don't kill him, bro. Let's finish him. Don't kill him, let's finish him. Damn, bro. Bro, I got rockets. I will send it to the sky.
Oh,
like,
okay, there's a team over there. They're following the storm.
Cool on. For white.
Hold up, hold up.
Where's the team he's talking about? Only one guy?
No, he's over there.
Oh, alright.
You don't see him?
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
You a damn fucking liar, bro.
I'm just making you follow the story, bro.
Hey, yo, there's a place to raise over here. Do you know about this? Do the rescue of love, love, of love, of love. Wait, see? That's how he's gonna start. Start over here. Go! You gotta raise all the way here.
Wait for me. Right.
Fire station.
Oh, we gotta load in.
Landed. Yo, sento cola.
You got him, the guy in purple.
Enemy over there. Oh. Enemy cola. Everybody, hop in, let's go on. Thôi cái thôi.
Where you at? Oh wait.
Nigga.
Oh god.
The fuck is this Uber, nigga? Hurry up. Wait more.
From under attack, sir. Support 252. Support.
Keep going.
Keep going. This motherfucker, dude.
What'd you die at, fool? Keep driving, no stop. Oh, yo, this is a bad idea, bro. They stay on top.
Oh, I'm fucking tired. I don't want to sleep. Unless stay off.
Up the mountain, yo.
Be ready. You're next.
Oh my god. I think that's his car right there.
Earn redeployment or die trying.
Alright, walk him.
Enemy movement.
Alright.
Fuck that, I need my guns.
Pick him up.
Ain't got time for pickup, niggas. Sent him to go
Cause
out.
the way you throw the knife is trash, bro.
Star, nobody talking now.
Knock him.
Oh, those are real actors, bro. Come pick me up, bro.
Oh, what happened? What happened?
Real shit.
Oh,
Behind you, bro.
Need that color to talk. Need that color to talk. Need that. Good color, good color.
Marking new safe zone.
I'm still sniping.
Turn around, teammate.
Oh, he's still in my
Elevator chat.
I killed one on top.
I think he wanted to shoot.
There's a ground.
Trying to go loud. He landed. Send that motherfucker too. Easy. Oh, I getting sniped.
What the?
I getting sniped. Somebody looking at us.
Yo, do you see this guy?
Oh.
Oh, this guy's sniping hard right now.
Where? Come on.
You thought it's gonna finish his fucking... There's a real guy that I just killed. He's a ground. And he thought he was a beast, but I'm the beast. Okay?
We gotta go zone, boy.
Fuck that.
We still get the car.
Motherfuckers
Whoa,
home.
whoa, whoa. Chill out, Rambo.
Yeah,
You gonna die.
Put your car.
I got a car if you need a car. Hey, one guy on me. Are you serious? Oh, bro. I killed all of them, bro. Like 50 people over here.
Gotta go.
Where? Oh, that's the same people that I killed. They mad at me. Wait, there's a bike.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go. I got a car, y'all. There's a bike over here. Oh, never mind. That's good. Hey, what about let's cover those guys on top? Huh? Before they come. Stop, get out of there. That's good. Get out, get out. Cover them, fuck them. They've been killing us. Hell no. Jumping right now. Break! Yo, you break, You ain't gonna do that to us, you son of a fuck. Yeah, look at them. Yeah, look at them. That's what you get, bitch. Motherfucker shooting us up there and enjoy the whole time. Fuck you. Alright, Grim Mysterio is shooting in front of us. Oh shit, watch out, bro. Sniper. Oh, where you going, bro?
I see one guy on the bridge.
Oh, watch out, real people.
Oh shit.
Oh, he's gonna be dead for sure. He's gonna be dead.
Down there behind the wall.
Go, J-Car.
Go and buy us. Go, go, go. You are a hero.
Go around, go around, go around.
Did you see the guy that I killed with what is that? Hey, where are you guys going, you bastard? That's some scary ass move, bro.
How much money we get?
Like 7,000,
Sure.
6,000,
Sure.
700,
Get out, get out, get out, get out.
610. Let's spot, just kill them and buy us. Guarantee you a beast. Alright, buy me first, okay?
Oh shit.
Bye. Yo, you got the money cam. Money gamma.
Where you go?
Oh, where?
There, go.
Damn, on the buy station, my
There's a
guy.
storm coming, bro.
Money's over there.
Relax, guys.
Give him the 500 so he can buy 2.
More. Yeah. Hey, bro.
Nice.
Congratulations, you doing a phenomenal job.
Damn, good shit.
Bro, you're like Bruce Lee type shit, bro.
Yeah, right up, boy. Real clear.
No, get out, the storm is smaller. Hey, break! Oh, you fucked.
He thought I was in the car.
Oh,
Watch out, real people.
So cluster.
Yeah, they're real people.
Oh,
Shit. What's your rock?
I'm gonna stop shooting at me, bitch ass. Slow mo.
I will, Mark.
Oh,
I see him up there.
Where I was marking.
He's on there.
Right on the rock.
Eliminated.
Mark, nigga.
He's out.
You guys see him? You guys got him?
Yeah, he did.
Where we at, boy? Take together. Go up the mountain.
Go over the rock or what? I'm running, y'all.
Oh, we got him.
Wait.
We'll go. Push this up.
Knock him.
Where you at?
Knock. Right there, right next to you. Not next to you.
Where?
Over there. You passed him.
Mark.
I killed him. I got him. The helicopter coming, y'all.
Need the recon over there.
Airstrike ready for tasking.
Right now.
I ain't.
New safe zone
I
located.
need that turtle.
There's 2 of them.
Wait, there's 2.
Target area marked. It's cleared hot.
Oh damn.
That's ours. It's not gonna down you.
Oh,
Where?
That cat tried to hide like we didn't see him. Bro, we see you the whole damn time, motherfucker.
Alright, I think I'm gonna go take a nap.
Yeah, go take a nap.
Yeah, man, I think you should take a nap.
Yeah. They're coming up. They're coming up.
Push 'em, boys.
Down.
Alright, we just wait until they come off.
Hit like a monkey. More.
Wait.
Coming into view.
They're not.
Got him. One is on the bottom.
Hey, right here.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's it. Too easy. 2 times in a row. 2 times in a row. He said, eat admin. Get your sad lonely ass out of here. I'm sorry, Dom. We're kind of full. Alright, I'm gonna post this one.
Post it, tag me.
Oh, you following me on TikTok already?
No, bro, just tag me. Tito Bugger with the clutch.
Bro, my Facebook, my TikTok name is my name tag. FSN691 Gushai.
You're not gonna believe.
Easy action, Kaki Kosha. Ever since Kaki Kosha.
How much did I give her? How much did I give her?
I don't need money. Hold my hand.
What?
I don't need money. Hold my hand. That's it.
We're heading to the war zone. Get geared up.
How much did I give her? How much did I give her?
I don't need money. Hold my hand.
What?
I don't need money. Hold my hand. That's it.
Enemies are dropping into the area.
夜莺一阳之味刀子气动来，明码标价的那些路飞飞冲来，坐上颁奖台切莫张灯结彩，8000桌的收尾少不了弄菜。夜莺一阳之味刀子气动来，明码标价的那些路非黑即白，坐上颁奖台切莫张灯结彩，8000桌的收尾少不了弄菜。夜莺一阳之味刀子气东来，明码标价的那些路非黑即白，坐上颁奖台。
Dito on the track. That's what Dito loves to hear every day. Chang chang ching 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 chang chang. Alright, we're going straight to the roller coaster. Song Fang Xing 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 Fang Xing Fang Fang Fang.
That's better.
This dude is retarded.
Wait for me, wait for me.
Oh.
Hey, wait for me.
Yeah, getting. I'm a crown. People can see me. Just stay back, relax. Enjoy the ride. Bro, people sniping.
Hey. I need guns. They're so low. So low.
Sniper, real people right there on the blue mark.
Stupid bitch.
Alright, let's go buy a Lodi. Lodi, please. Yes, Alani here.
What the fuck?
Lodi, where are you?
Fight to earn redeployment. It's fight time. Squad mate has entered the gulag. They'll need to survive to redeploy. Success means redeployment. Failure means elimination.
If you die, it's okay, okay? Don't worry about it if you die.
Squad mates in the gulag. If they survive, they redeploy. Be advised, still have squad mates outside.
Remember, when the ground is done, it's time to buy Lodi.
You've been marked as the most wanted target. Kill enemies and secure supply caches to close the contract on your head. Squad mate won the fight. They're redeploying now. Cleared for redeployment.
Get the fuck out of here. What?
Yeah, we back in business, boy.
Congratulations, you're doing a phenomenal job.
No, it's back in black, bro.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Hey, let's go buy a Lodi right now at police station.
I got a truck over here.
Yeah, boy, let's go.
Well, I'm too fast, I don't need truck.
Wow, did you hear?
You got any over here?
Need support, bro. Drop money, 252.
Where? Fuck, I cannot see.
Money trap, 752. Money trap. Damn it, money trap, damn it.
I thought my shit was fucked up too, man.
Money trap, damn it.
Here.
Damn. Where's the money, y'all? Oh my god, bro. Where the fuck is the money?
Where the money?
You picked it up, fool. Sam, you got it, nigga.
Oh. Candy's the one who got it.
Money
The
coming.
fuck? Money
I got
coming.
into ammunition.
What are you talking about? Drop that ammunition, sir. Oh, never mind. I'm good.
Okay, pick up my sniper. Hey, ready? Stay on there.
Oh, no, stay right here.
Man, you know damn well. That's a bug.
I'll let you guys know there's an enemy. Sniper. Where are you?
On the hill, on the hill.
Whoa, Dito on the Clappy Betty. Oh my god, that is way too easy. I stay all the way back here and got the kill. Oh my god, bro. I stole that shit from you guys.
Okay, bro, we'll let you have it.
UFV pop, bro. Open your eyeball.
Open.
Oh shit, wait, bro. Hold up, it's closed.
Buy station right here.
Oh, real people on that buy station. That's for damn sure.
Hey, let's go, bro.
No, kill that guy first and then... You know what I mean?
Go to that buy station.
No, I'm in this shit. Where the fuck are you?
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Okay.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Oh, the cat's gonna go over there.
One down. Got out on him.
Higo gozida. This was in. Never will go see that. I'm ready to kill this motherfucker. They're all the way right there.
Oh, car. He's coming. The car. Oh, it's two guys.
I love it.
There's
I
two
love
guys
it.
in the car.
Come.
Oh, they're not in the car.
Frick!
Oh,
Get down the hill.
One brick. One down. Pick me up.
I got him.
I'm dead. Pick me
There's
up.
another guy. There's another guy.
It's okay. Play it up. Another one landed. Where did I at? Another one landed. Oh, he disrespected me. He slapped the fuck out of you on that Kelly stage. Dead.
Oh, where it came from?
Mamacita.
The car came up empty. That we would shoot the car.
Wait. Nah. Right there, right next to you. Not next to you.
Where?
Over there. I killed him.
I got him.
Check weapons and gear. We're holding for deployment.
Conocido como chaparrón, mucha gente allí lo quería. Nacido en Pauna, Boyacá,
Summer chili.
What the fuck is that?
I did some research.
Oh, behind you. Come on.
Hey, bebocita. Un beso. Sincero. No mosida.
Right here, guys. Oh, what the fuck is that?
Why is hella people over here?
Where? Hello, where? Well, congratulations, you have a phenomenal child, bro.
Hey, shut up, bro. Shut the front door, bro.
What the fuck are we doing over here?
Yo, you try to hide, huh? I know you're a real guy. That's why I follow your stupid ass. Motherfucker trying to lay down and kill me in the corner. Fuck you.
No guns here, bro. Just rock. Back in the David and Goliath. You know what I'm saying? Which one are you?
Man, he retarded. Don't listen to him.
You know what I'm saying?
So you come back real quick, huh?
Fuck, there ain't shit over there. I see you.
Oh, you guys hide over there and wait till I kill them, okay? Us.
Hey, where's your friend at? Hey, pick that guy up, bro.
How do you do
Take
that?
off, let's over here.
Fuck you.
Hey, snipe this guy, bro. Snipe this guy up here, bro. Holding him over here.
What is that?
Where the fuck are you guys? You guys are way far away. Damn, motherfucker. Why the fuck you guys... Oh, hell no.
Who need ammo?
Alright. Find ammo over there.
Ammo.
We're coming, bro. Load out. Load out ready.
Yeah, roll out. We got 9,000 already. What a store.
There's a mask here.
Fuck you, boy. Oh, time. I don't land these, bro. Hold on. Right.
Head to the safe zone. Moving ground, moving.
They cross.
Target of a most wanted contract. Eliminate threat. Your supply cache is closing.
Yo.
Come on, let's go.
Well, we got this money.
Or dash.
Go get load out.
Bro.
Killed it.
Look at this guy in this stupid ass chopper.
Get out of my chopper, bro! Oh my god.
Everybody went off, bro. Everybody went off for that. Took the load off.
Get it there, get it there. Money here, money here. Hurry, hurry, gas is coming.
Oh, you
What a
fucking
fabulous
pig.
job.
Blow 'em out.
I need some more money.
Is this press score to alcohol?
No, please. Yo, what's up?
Here you go.
Wait, let me show you how to movement, bro.
With their plates, bro.
Yeah, nada.
Buy our fucking loadie,
Get
please.
more people.
Here you go. Ready?
Oh, come on.
Hey.
Oh, where they coming from?
I don't know, but it's a candy cane. Oh, there's real enemies watching.
Oh. Who did that? What is that?
Right behind us.
Yeah, I'm hitting. Nine.
What's he doing? He ain't showed on his nose.
There's one more.
Sure.
Where the loadout at?
Nowhere. Hey, don't tell him, bro. Man. Hold on, bro.
Go fight those guys, bro.
Go.
Bro, this guy in this bullshit ass spin. I don't give a shit, bro. If you do a 360 scope, then I'll trust you, bro. But right now, just save the bullets. They're over there, bro.
Bad choice letting him live.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Free loadie. Free load. Loadie.
Oh, let's go. Go cut some grass, bro.
Going on, people.
Hostile eliminated.
Let's go, bro. Sorry.
Just some par with a badass fucking in. Nothing. Tempting, bro.
Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Come on, you guys.
Yo.
Oops, the daisy, man.
Let's go on, bro.
Go on,
Move to the safe zone. Gas is moving.
Requesting recon overhead.
Oh shit, I'm fucking tired for real. That last one, y'all.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yo, dealer, right there. On my side, green, green. Look at green. Might eat my balls. I see you looking at me, nigga. Yo, I see you looking at me, nigga. I make you look, nigga. Oh shit, I fart while I kill him. Too easy.
Watch out, bro. We got some company. Damn, what the fuck?
What the fuck? There's like a whole squad over there. Like the grandpa, the grandma, uncle, auntie.
Yeah, you got him, you got him.
Oh shit, he got him, Dito. Bro, you got some Dito on you, man.
Hey, bro. At work. Do we know where the enemy?
I don't know.
Damn, that's like accurate information.
You're dead, bro.
Let me know that. Bro, I'm so tired. I'ma sleep for a couple hours and then wake the fuck up and ready. Man, you don't know where I'm going, huh? Hey, don't be scared. I'm coming back, y'all. Okay?
Hey, mark the store, bro.
Yeah, right. You didn't even blind the blind. Money's right here, right? Real guy, real guy. Frick! Yeah. You suck. Only suck people do that.
Start to cross.
Yo, buy me right now. Buy me too, buy me too, buy me too. Oh, never mind. Beat me, beat me, beat me. Oh, frog. I ain't got no shit. Why you picking me up? Yo, bro.
Find medical.
That's kind of sad.
Come over here, come over here.
Get the car, bro. There's a buy station right there. Right next to the gas.
Where?
Right there, I marked. Get the car, get the car. Tito, Tito. Oh, not Tito. Cross, you can buy a loadout too. Go to that buy station, yo, guys.
Oh, wait.
Get on the car, go to the buy station. Buy everything and then come back here and enjoy it, you know? Like, you're doing a fabulous job, bro. Oh, kill them, bro. There's 3 of you guys. Jump, jump, jump!
Oh my god.
Wow, what a nice plan. We did
Go
it.
straight into them, bro.
Oh, we did that shit real quick, bro. Look, I thought you did. Oh,
Oh, fuck.
alright, y'all. Nice game.